Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to unbox and set up this Fireball Island Race to Adventure board game. But before we begin, I wanted to talk about some different things. First, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And please make sure that you read the instructions and warnings that are on the box and inside of the box. Second, I do have another video about Fireball Island Race to Adventure where I compare it to the original Fireball Island. And I will link that video at the end of this one, and if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. I also plan on making a future video about how to play Fireball Island Race to Adventure, and if that's something that you're interested in, please check back for that video. And here is what the back of the box looks like. Okay, so we have the cards here and some game pieces. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so this comes in 3 different sections, the game board. Okay. So let's see here. Let's see how the game board fits together. Okay, so that goes there. This will go here. And then this fits like this. Like so. That's how this game board okay. One thing I notice is Volcar seems bigger on the new one, and it is a different setup than the original, but it's cool because it's a very similar graphic. So he fits on here. There we go. Like that. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, so okay, that's a ladder. Okay, these are I was thinking this was the bridge, but that's the ladder. Bridges are right here. So one bridge goes there. And one goes here. Oh, that's cool. Okay. There's a different graphic on each side of the bridge, but okay, I think that one goes, I don't know if it matters, but okay, those go there, and then the ladder, this is new, this goes, this maybe? Yeah, I think like this is how this goes. Like that. Okay, and then this is new too. These trees. We have to assemble the tree on here. Fits on a specific way, and then these trees go throughout the island. Okay, so let's get all these trees assembled. It says, with their roots turned towards Volcar. Okay, so the roots should be turned towards Volcar. Okay. Trying to be careful because when I push down the tree into the game board, it wants to bend the game board, and I don't want to hurt it or break it or anything, so I'm just trying to be extra careful. Okay. Oops. All right, so the trees are also a new addition. So that's cool. I mean, what I'm seeing so far is a similar setup, but they've added some new things, which is cool. Like the trees are new, and the ladder is new. It appears there are more, we'll see shortly, but more fireballs. Yeah, I'm just trying to, I'm not like really jamming these down into the sockets because it really wants to push down on the game board. Yeah, I'd put some support under here. Okay. Okay, so we got, let's see here, the marble, what's next? Put the heart of Volcar in its space on the island near Volcar. Okay. Oop. That goes goes right here. Okay, these are treasure tokens. And I'm just getting all of these out. Oops. Okay, so there's 36 of these, and I need to put them face down on all of the treasure slabs. Okay. Oops. Scared me. Okay, get that back. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back. I won't make you guys wait through that. Okay, so I'm back. I have all of the treasure slabs face down where they're supposed to be, and then I think I had the ladder the wrong direction. I had it like this, and I think it's supposed to be like this. That way there's a place for the player to stand when they get to the ladder. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so I skipped over a step with the marbles. Okay, so place 6 ember marbles. These are the orange ones on their spaces in the center tray of the island. The center tray of the island. Okay, maybe right here? No. Oh, I got it. The center tray. So they're going to go on... There are fireball spots here, the center tray being this center piece. Okay. Should be one more. Oh, right here. I think that's it. Yeah, I think so. Okay, and then the 4 red marbles go here. Okay, so I put the 4 players where they start. And then I put the cards right over here. I'm not going to take them out of their plastic, but I'm just going to set them right here. And then I put the die right here. And I'm going to get everything cleaned up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.